Hey guys! So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Zapier to manage orders coming in on your e-commerce chatbot. It doesn't have to be e-commerce in terms of clothing. It could be a restaurant, it could be a fast food chain, it could be you taking any sort of payment for anything. So for example, if you offer legal services and you're taking payment for a 30-minute legal consultation, or if you have a fitness center and you're taking bookings for fitness instructions, you can use this method also. Okay, so before we begin, it's important that you already have your e-commerce chatbot set up. If you don't have an e-commerce chatbot set up yet on Zebo, then go to Zebo.io/docs and check out our docs. We've got some really great tools here that are gonna help you build a chatbot. You can also go to our YouTube channel and you can watch our YouTube video on how to make a Facebook Messenger chatbot in 30 minutes. Really, it takes 30 minutes. Okay, worst case, go ahead and choose the lookbook template, which is an e-commerce chatbot that's already built for you. Okay, so let's navigate to our e-commerce chatbot. So here's a sample bot that we've set up for the purpose of this demo. So it's a home and fashion store. It's essentially the lookbook template that we recreated. So we've got all of the elements of the e-commerce chatbot. Just to recap quickly: greeting text, all of our settings, what our tax is, what our shipping is, we're collecting payments via PayPal, currency code, checkout fields, and the email address where it's going to be delivered. All our products are here, our persistent menu, content, and automation. Okay, just to show you the demo, because obviously, it's a fake chatbot. I don't want to end up paying hundreds of dollars. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be switching the payment method here to cash on delivery. However, for your chatbot, you should obviously keep the payment method that you have. And the second thing that I'm going to do is, instead of order alerts, what way do I want to receive orders? I'm going to go Zapier webhooks, okay? And then I'm going to save it. So this is where we're going to get our webhook from Zapier, and this webhook is going to send information from our chatbot. When we collect all of this information, it's going to go to the webhook URL at Zapier, and from there you can connect it to any other service. Okay, now that we have switched to Zapier webhooks over here, we're going to go to Zapier.com and get a webhook for ourselves. Okay, so navigate in a new tab to Zapier.com. If you don't have an account, create an account. It's free. Obviously, as your needs increase, and they have tiers where you will have to pay for extra services, but for the sake of your e-commerce chatbot, Zapier is going to be free for you. Okay, after you've signed up, navigate to your Zapier dashboard, which looks like this, and then click on Make a Zap up here. Choose a trigger app. So this is how we're going to set up a webhook URL for ourselves. Where it says search hundreds of apps, type webhook, and then select what shows up, which is webhooks by Zapier. And what we're going to do is we're going to select the second option, which is catch hook, save and continue, and continue again, skip the pick off a child key. I have some data, some sort of explanation here that you can read if you want. We already know that, so we're going to go and continue. Here's our webhook. Ta-da! Okay, so we're going to copy this. You can just click on copy to clipboard, and then we're going to head back to Zebo, and we're going to put that over here in our webhook URL, and we're going to save it. Now what we have to do is we have to send some data to this webhook, okay? So if I do, okay, I did this, it's going to start looking for the data. But right now, I haven't sent any data to my webhook. Okay, how do I send data to my webhook? We send data to the webhook by chatting with our own bot. Remember, the goal is that every time someone chats with our bot, places an order, that data should get saved at this webhook, right? So how do we create the first set of sample data? We chat with our own bot. Okay, now let's head to messenger.com and chat with our bot to create the data. Okay, so look up your bot in Messenger. And here we are. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to start a new order, or however it is that you order an item on your chatbot. You just have to generate sample data of what you would like to send to Zapier, and that sample data is of all of these checkout fields, right? Okay, so here we are. Let's take a look. We'll go ahead and we'll order something from the first state. Look. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and order myself a beaded shirt. Let's go ahead and buy medium size. Finish order. And $31. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go and put my address, my phone number, my street address, my city, state, and then I'm gonna place order. Great, the order has been placed, and then let's go to Zapier. You could see that first when we tried to find a hook and we hadn't chatted and sent any data to the hook, there was nothing. So I'm gonna try again, and this time, when it looks for data, it's going to pull up the data that we just entered out. Wait, okay, it says test successful. Click here where it says you can view your hook. So click on view hook. There we go. That's what we entered. I selected the free shipping, payment method cash. That's your Facebook page ID, the date and the time of the order. My name, that's automatically coming from Facebook Messenger. You don't need to collect the person's name, sorry. My order total, my phone number, what I ordered. So I ordered the shirt, variation, I ordered the large size, and I ordered one medium size. That's the plain text, that's the JSON in case you need it, and then that's order plain text. My user ID, you should need that. The taxes that you collected, remember that we had put 13% tax. San Francisco is expensive. Okay, anytime that you add new fields, here, you can always come back to this part by clicking here and edit options, pull in samples, and retest webhooks by Zapier to get another hook. Okay, so now we've got our hook, and we're gonna go continue. Here's where you decide where you want to send all the data from your checkout. So we're gonna go and go add step here on the left, and from here you can decide where it's going. So for example, you can use either Gmail or Zapier's email to send an order confirmation email to the customer, send an email to yourself, send an email to any number of people, for example, your delivery person. You can use SMS, or you can use Twilio, which is another SMS API, to send a confirmation SMS message to the customer or yourself or anyone else. You can use the code feature to send the orders to your own API. Maybe that's your own order management app or your website. Let's go back to setup step. We're going to delete this and take a look at all the other things that we can send the Zap, what it's called, to. We can send it to Airtable, or I have a separate video of this, so do check it out in YouTube. Airtable is a data management CRM that we've set up for you to be able to manage your orders. It's also available as an app, and a lot of our customers use it to manage delivery. You can just set it up on an iPad or a phone. You can send it to a Google Sheet. You can send it to any number of things. MailChimp, you can send only the email of the customer that's ordered to MailChimp and add them to a specific list. So Zapier allows you to send your data to over 700 different locations. So check out the other videos in which we show you how to do a couple of things like save them to a Google Sheet, save them, send an SMS, send out an email, etc. So you set that step, check out the others, you name your Zap over here, and then you turn it on and you're set.